Hello and welcome to Star Wars Obsessed. Here is the conclusion of the vintage TIE Fighter restoration. It just looks fantastic. Everything is nice and bright white. I love this. And what I really love is that it cleaned up all of the rust that was here, just gone. And then there was, on here, there was this, I don't know what it was, the glue stain for the plastic or something, but that's pretty much diminished. So you can kind of see it there. This looks so much better. Now I'm going to put the original stickers back on. Have them here. They don't all look great, but they're still vintage. That's one side of a panel. So unfortunately, no matter what I did, I just couldn't get anything here to work. I scraped the metal contacts, cleaned the metal contacts. Unfortunately, one of them broke here. Even though I've connected it, I put fresh batteries in. I'm not one of those people who's very adept at electronics, and I'm sure that there's ways of learning, and I've seen many videos where people restore things and they do all these complicated electronics, removing these and putting new ones in, or replating these, or taking out the wires, rewiring, relighting. Honestly, I don't want to do any of that. I don't have the desire to learn the intricacies of electronic repair. I don't want to do that. I just want to put this TIE Fighter back together and make it look great. I don't necessarily need the engine to work. I don't plan on selling this anytime soon, but I do want it to look fantastic, which it does on the surface. So I'm not even going to bother with the electronics. I'm just going to go ahead, put this all together. I got a suggestion from Paul Avram that I reassemble this upside down, that it would be a lot easier. Here's the glass. Still got a little bit of yellowing, not as yellow as it was. It looks much better. I need to put this back in here. That was easy. So I should put the chair back in. Goes in this way. And then it has to be behind the track like that, so it stays just like that. This is slotted to fit a certain way, so it has this part right here sticking out there, and then it has a slot, so it looks like this should fit there. It goes in just like that. Now I need to take this piece and this piece, and it goes together like this, and then put the spring inside, and then it lays on the cradle just like that, and it fits in just like that. And I do the same thing for the other side. Just fits, slots in just like that. Spring goes in like that, and this goes here just like that. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna fix the chair. Now rest the motor here on that part, and then just put this together just like that. And it's all together. Is the chair okay? Let's see. The chair slides up and down, which means it's in the slot. Now to put the screws back in. Now to put that back on. All right, look at that. Now to put these back on. And I have to make sure that they snap in well. There we go. They need to snap in very tightly. I need to hear a snap to make sure that they actually are in properly. Now the other one. Make sure they snap in. There we go. Snap, snap, and now they're in. Okay, put this together. Right. Oh, look at that. All right. And now I'm done with the TIE Fighter restoration. And here it is, the vintage TIE Fighter restored. Not fully restored. I couldn't get the electronics working. And for any of you who watch this hoping to see some kind of tutorial or tips, method of repairing or restoring electronics to the TIE Fighter, I really do apologize that I didn't give you that. I would love to, but I don't have the skills to do that. So I just left the electronics. But other than that, everything else looks fabulous. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. You can follow Star Wars Obsessed on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description below. See you on the next Star Wars Obsessed.